Hi, today we'll be talking about direct variation and we'll be talking about some vocab involved with it. Okay, but direct variation is basically what happens when one variable goes up in value and the other variable goes up as well. Okay, so the normal formula for direct variation is y equals k times x, or you could switch it around and have y divided by x equals k. Okay, now the constant of variation is this letter right here. It is the k in both of these situations. Okay, and the constant of variation is something you could also remember as rate of change or slope. Alright, so direct variation is just dealing with some kind of problem like this. Okay. Alright, so let's say I actually had a problem. Oops. Okay, suppose now what direct variation is x goes up, y goes up, or vice versa, as x goes down, y goes down, or as y goes down, x goes down. Okay, so suppose y varies directly with x and y equals 9 when x equals negative 5. Okay, what is the value of y when x equals negative 1? And you're like going, I don't know. It seems to be doing something weird. So what you're going to do is you're going first, whenever you see suppose y varies directly with x. So you're going to see this and you're going to notice directly. And that's going to tell you which type of variation to use. And in this case, it's going to be y equals kx, and then you write the other one, or y divided by x equals k. Okay, so then you go on to the next part. Alright, so when you go on to the next part, you go on to y equals 9 when x equals 5. If you notice, there's only one equation where it's both a y and an x. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug them into there, and you go 9 divided by negative 5 equals k, which, if you simplify, just becomes negative 9/5. Okay, so now, here's the cool thing, is this y and the k in the beginning help you find this y and x help you find k in the beginning. And once you have k, the rest of the problem is easy, because now you can use this formula right here over here to find out what the value of y is going to be when x is negative 1. Okay, so now this formula becomes y equals negative 9/5 times x. Okay, so we plug it in over here, so y equals negative 9/5 times negative 1. If you notice, they're both negative, so they both become positive, and y equals just 9/5. Okay, so y equals 9/5 when x equals negative 1. You do need all this information to figure out the exact meaning of what is y when x equals negative 1. You always need the constant of variation. Okay. Alright. Now the cool thing is you can also look for rate of change or slope and actually find out what the constant of variation is going to be as well, okay? All right. So that's it for constant of variation and direct variation. So if you please have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.